What if I told you that you don't have to write a single LinkedIn post anymore? And yet, you can still show up every single day with scroll-stopping content, branded graphics, and professional high-performing copy, all completely automated and all powered by AI. Sounds a bit sketchy. I get it. But here's the thing. I'm doing it right now. The post I just made on LinkedIn, 100% created by an AI agent, from the idea to the caption to the image. And the best part, no broken text, no awkward images. The graphic is clean, polished, and looks like it came straight out of Canva. Creating something like this manually would take at least 20 to 30 minutes per post. Brainstorming an idea, designing an image, writing the copy, and then manually posting it. Way too much time, especially if you're trying to stay consistent. So in this video, I'm breaking down the full system that I use to automate every single step, from idea generation, content creation, and branded images. No typing, no clicking around, just pure AI automation. And if you stick around till the end, I'll give you the full workflow, blueprint, templates, and all the tools I used. For demo purpose, I will be sending directly to Gmail instead of LinkedIn because I just posted there. All right, let's kick things off with step 1, idea generation. Everything starts with an AI agent that acts like your personal content strategist. I've trained this agent to generate fresh, relevant, and engaging post ideas, specifically focused on AI, automation, technology trends, productivity hacks, whatever your niche is. This agent runs inside n8n and uses OpenAI's GPT model to come up with daily content ideas. The output is parsed using a structured output parser, so we always get a clean result. Usually one sentence per idea, perfect for a professional audience. Now, instead of storing these ideas inside the AI response only, I use the Google Sheets node to append each idea into a central content database. Why? Because this lets me build a pipeline. I can review the ideas, reuse the good ones, and even sort them by themes or trends. It also ensures I never run out of content ideas. Example, how AI is changing the hiring process in small businesses. That's the kind of idea the AI agent drops in the sheet daily, and it's ready to be turned into a full post. Next up is step 2, writing the LinkedIn post. Now that we have the idea, we pass it to a second AI agent trained specifically to write LinkedIn content. This isn't just any basic prompt. This agent has a very specific role. Write in a clear, professional tone, keep it educational and insightful. Use proper hashtags, add source attribution when needed, and end with a strong CTA like comment below or share your thoughts. But to make it smarter, I integrated a tool called DALL. It's an AI-first search engine API. Think of it like Google, but designed for bots. DALL fetches real-time data, statistics, or quotes to enrich the AI's response. Here's how I set up the DALL node. Post method to API.tavily.com, search. Add your authorization header with your DALL API key. The body should include query, max results, and chunks per our source. Then, this data is passed to OpenAI's GPT 4.1 model, which we use to actually write the full post. This gives me a post that's not only well written, but backed by real data. The agent structures it perfectly: intro hook, body insight, and an ending CTA. Now let's talk about the visual magic. Step 3, creating branded images using AI. Once the LinkedIn post is ready, I extract the key message and send it to another AI agent, the image prompt generator. This agent is trained to think like a brand designer. It crafts prompts that work with tools like DALL to produce infographics, abstract illustrations, or stylized visuals that enhance the LinkedIn post. Then I use an HTTP node in n8n to call OpenAI's image generation endpoint. Here's how you set it up. Visit OpenAI's API reference. go to the images section, copy the curl request, and paste it into the HTTP request node. But before that, and this is important, you need to get your organization verified inside OpenAI. Otherwise, the image request will return a 403 forbidden error. To verify your organization, go back to Profile, General, and get your organization verified from here. It will take 2 minutes, ask for identity and picture. Once verified, paste your bearer API key. Remember, 1 space between bearer and your key, and execute the call. Now here's the catch. Image data is huge. If you try to handle the full base 64 response in your browser, you risk freezing the entire tab. So instead, I run it through a convert to binary node and boom. Clean, shareable image file. Finally, we arrive at step 4, delivery. After the post and image are generated, I send them straight to Gmail, just for demo purposes. In a production setting, this could be replaced by the LinkedIn API to publish the post automatically or schedule it. Sending to Gmail is also useful if you're batching 30 days of content for client approval, the image, the caption, and even the hashtags. Everything is wrapped into a single deliverable email. Now you might be wondering, is this just a fun tech project? Absolutely not. This is real-world content automation that gives you more time consistency without burnout, scalable content production, and a repeatable system you can use for clients or your own brand. You can run this workflow daily with fresh ideas, weekly to batch create posts, or even sell it as a service. And once it's set up, it's completely hands-off. If you're building your personal brand, running a content agency, or just trying to stay top of mind on LinkedIn, this system is your unfair advantage. Drop a comment if you want access to the full n8n workflow template, the AI prompts, or help setting it up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow automation nerds. And one last thing, I'm dropping a free Notion board with all the nodes, prompts, and API configurations. You can find the link in the free Facebook community. Come join us and start building with AI. See you in the next one.